Are you a secondary school or a college student? Are you about to write an examination to enter into higher institution, or you are an undergraduate student? Did you receive your lectures online and you are worried about how to solve some subject, or those subjects are giving you tough time to handle? Here comes these online free lectures. Exponential x cos exponential x. The kind of arrangement they will have is n minus 1 factorial. This is arrangement for object in a ring, and this is arrangement for object in a circle. But the question that the first thing you do here is to find the determinant of this matrix. Are you a parent or a guardian? Here comes the best help for your words. Your words have the opportunity of having access to this free online class. Studies have shown that most video watch, the information from them stay longer in memory. So do not deny yourself of this best opportunity. Of sine u plus c will be equal to sine, what is the value of u? To interchange the right diagonal expression for. To enjoy our free lectures video, we implore you to subscribe to the channel so that you'll be able to have access to our date-to-date update on our notification from the channel. For inquiry about our virtual class, we have our information detailed below. Please, we implore you to stay tuned. Always enjoy your day.